Tosin, a young travel enthusiast, dreamed of exploring Nigeria beyond Lagos. His cousin, Chima, invited him on a road trip to Port Harcourt and Benue State, offering a chance to experience new cultures, landscapes, and food. Before leaving Lagos, Tosin and Chima indulged in street food at a stall in Surulere, enjoying ajij bread and ava goin. They washed it down with zobo, a hibiscus drink. Their last night in Lagos was spent at a buka in Yaba, savoring ofada rice and ayamase. After an 8-hour drive, they arrived in Port Harcourt, known for its riverside cuisine. They enjoyed bowl and fish at a local joint and later had native soup with pounded yam at a seafood restaurant by the waterfront. The next morning, they explored Mile 1 Market, buying peppered snail. After a satisfying meal, they visited Isaac Burrow Garden Park, enjoying the cool breeze and capturing their experience with photos. In Benue State, known for its agricultural abundance, they enjoyed pounded yam and banga soup, a dish native to the Tiv people. They explored local markets and tried akpu with okoho soup, unique to Benue. They joined a community gathering where locals prepared Benue yam porridge. The warm hospitality made the meal special. They finished with burukutu, a traditional drink, and enjoyed a cultural performance of the swange dance. On their way back to Lagos, Tosin and Chima reflected on their adventure, realizing food tells the story of a place. They had explored different cities and experienced the warmth of the people through their food. The road trip was a flavorful exploration of Nigeria's culinary heritage. From Lagos to Port Harcourt and Benue, they discovered the heart and soul of Nigeria through its food, culture, and the stories of the people they met. As they approached Lagos, they made a pact to explore more Nigerian states, ready for another adventure into the country's culinary landscape. For Tosin and Chima, this was just the beginning of many more flavorful journeys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!